Welcome back to shop, folks. Today, I gotta get this Aaron's motor turning through. Not cranking, or rather not starting, but cranking over. Doggone thing wants to make a half of a revolution and stop. You gotta push it through and make another half. Just ain't enough. Good hot battery. Make sure that the grounds are good and clean. And we're gonna put us a good OEM KOHLER starter on there. None of that aftermarket stuff. Check us out. If you get time, well, Mr. David Carnett, he got some good information. I know you'd like to check him out. All right, guys, try and take a look down in here. That starter, she don't want to turn this motor through well. That's a rebuilt starter down in there. Let's pull it off. I'm gonna show you a little difference that we've seen on this KOHLER 720 engine, sv720 engine, that they've changed on this starter, and I hope that corrects the issue we've been having with these. This doggone thing ain't pretty, but I know it runs. I busted it off, I heard it. But it still continues to lag during cranking. I have adjusted the valves, still got that problem. I've taken the liberty to go ahead and break these two bolts loose, because every doggone bolt I find on this thing is way over tight. Give me a second, see if I can't set y'all up where y'all can see what's going on. Sorry if it don't work. Hope you can see. I did break these loose down in here. Ain't no sense in something being that doggone tight. A little 10mm socket fits down in there on them starter bolts. Ain't but two. I already got the hot wire off of it. See, down in there. Best tools I got right there. Those. Y'all take care of them. All you got. And we're free. There we go. Let's go over to the bench, see what the difference is in these two. Got our old starter off. That Bendix, I'm gonna count them. 1. It's got TNT, brand new KOHLER, not no aftermarket, no rebuild. KOHLER. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 teeth. Now, doggone it, I'm gonna count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10. This got 9, this got 10. Can you see the obvious difference in them? I know they were having trouble with them a while back, so I hadn't worked on any of them. Let's put it on. All right, guys, I got that starter back on. It went on pretty easy. The issue we were having, this motor didn't want to turn through on the compression stroke. I know what you're saying. Check this, check that. Look, man, this is what we checking. That's gonna be what the problem is, I hope. Let's spin it through, see if it'll make a complete revolution. Oh yeah, that's much better. Folks, that wasn't that hard. Make sure you clean up your connections before you put a new starter on. Make sure you got a good hot battery. Apparently, this has been an issue for this KOHLER Courage engine. And I hope this remedies it. That old starter right there, I ain't sending it to be rebuilt. Ain't nobody gonna get to remanufacture it. And I just don't believe in putting them on there. Can you save a few bucks? Yeah. Can you buy more Tylenol? Why, of course you can. Hey, y'all take care of yourself. If you enjoyed this type of video, how about one of them thumbs up? And I told y'all once, and I'm gonna tell you every time, them subscribes are free. Ain't gonna cost you nothing. Go on, hit the little bell, the dingy, whatever you call it. And we'll see y'all on the next one. I gotta go watch a David video. Hey!